Welcome to David Copperfield's novel. Written by Charles Dickens. Summarized and prepared by Walaa Samir. Audio recorded by AI technology. Chapter 9. I begin life on my own and don't like it.
David started working at Murdstone and Grinby as a worker when he was 10 years old. It was an old dirty building in the heart of London. David had to wash a great number of empty bottles or put labels on them. He was one of 3 or 4 boys doing this work. Mr. Quinion watched them through the window of his desk in the counting house. On his first day at work, it was 12:30 when everyone was getting ready to go to eat. Mr. Quinion signaled to David to go to him. He went in and he introduced Mr. Micawber, a fat, middle-aged, bold man, who knew Mr. Murdstone and that David would stay at his house. Mr. Micawber took David after work at 8 o'clock. He introduced him to his wife Mrs. Micawber, a thin old lady, holding a baby. He had 4 children, 2 of them were twins. David's room was at the top of the house. Mrs. Micawber told him that
she had never thought about renting a room in her house, except for Mr. Micawber had great difficulties at present. Mr. Micawber was an agent for a number of businesses, but he made little or no money. She added that, "You can't get blood out of a stone, and Mr. Micawber has no money to pay his debts at present."
One of the creditors, a person who is owed money, a shoemaker, used to come really early at 7 a.m. and call out to Mr. Micawber to pay him. David had his difficulties too. He was miserably unhappy in his work. Somehow their unhappy situations brought them together and they became friends. He got attached to the Micawbers. He used to worry about them and their debts. Mr. Micawber's favorite expression was,
"But perhaps something will turn up."
Eventually, Mr. Micawber's difficulties became so great that early one morning he was arrested and taken to a prison for debtors. David went to see him and was very upset. He told him to take warning from what had happened to him, saying,
"If a man has £20 a year for his income, and spends £19, 19 shillings and sixpence, he will be happy. But if he spends £20 and 1 shilling, he will be miserable." Then he borrowed a shilling from David for a drink.
He continued his miserable life at work. He didn't have to worry about Mrs. Micawber and the children because they joined Mr. Micawber in prison. Their family and friends began to help them, and they lived more comfortably in the prison than at home. Because David was fond of them, he rented a small room next to the prison to be close to them. At last Mr. Micawber would be set free soon, and he told David that he would follow a new manner if anything turned up.
The questions in this chapter are: answer the following questions. 1. How was David's work at Murdstone and Grinby? 2. Where did David stay in London? 3. How was Mr. Micawber unwise man? 4. What advice did Mr. Micawber give to David? Comment on the following quotations. 1. If a man has £20 a year for his income, and spends £19, 19 shillings and sixpence, he will be happy. These words were said by Mr. Micawber to David in his house. Mr. Micawber couldn't pay his debtors. He was sent to prison many times. He didn't learn from his mistakes. He gave David a piece of advice not to do like him. He told him to spend less than he earned so that he would be happy. It reveals that Mr. Micawber loved David and wanted him to be happy. 2. I never thought before I was married that I would ever have to rent out a room. 3. You can't get blood out of stone. 4. Mr. Micawber has no money to pay his debts at present. These 3 quotations have the same answer, which is: these words were said by Mrs. Micawber to David in her house. David lived with the Micawbers. He loved them. They treated him in a good way. Mrs. Micawber told David that her husband owes people a lot of money. She said that he couldn't manage money, and that he wasn't lucky with money. He borrowed money from people and he couldn't pay them back. It reveals that the Micawbers are facing a problem and that she loves her husband. See you in the next chapters. If this content is beneficial to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.